Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. And yes, behind me is my Abarth 124 Spider. There will be more of that in the next video to come, me introducing to you my brand new car, the spec that the 124 Spider has got, and what the hell happened, because one minute I had my 595 Competizione, the next minute I've got a 124 Spider on my driveway. This wasn't how it was meant to go, but yeah, more of that to come in another video. But today is basically just a dedication, shall I say, to my beloved 595 Competizione in modern yellow. If you haven't already, then click the link above to see the video of when I first picked up my Abarth 595 Competizione. I've had to swap the camera around because there's way too much going on behind me in the road and the neighbourhood. So when you order a car from factory, the dealership you've ordered that car with, they keep you updated when the car's on the ferry to the UK, when the car arrives in the UK, and most importantly when the car is there at the showroom. And I remember when I got the call and I said to my parents, should we go and see if the car's parked around the back? And we went in my parents' Abarth at the time. They had their blue one before they had their red 2016 Competizione as well. I remember driving around the back and we couldn't see my new Abarth anywhere, and we drove right down the back, and I was sat in the back of obviously my parents' car at the time, and there she was. And I remember my mum letting me out the back of the car, and I think I actually cried a little bit because I thought, wow, she's just beautiful in the flesh. This is my car that I've ordered for the factory just for me, and there she is. So owning that car, and when I first saw that car sneakily without the dealership probably knowing, it was quite emotional. So yeah, at the moment we are in March 2017, so that means I owned the Abarth for around about 18 months, which, believe it or not, is actually one of the longest times. Not the longest times, probably not, but it's nearly probably the longest time I've ever kept a car. That didn't last very long because obviously I accidentally ended getting the 124 Spider, but like I say, more to come on that car very soon. So the little 595 served me well, that was my second Abarth. And obviously now I'm on my third, because I am loyal to the Abarth brand and the dealership where I keep buying these Abarths, and selling them my old ones for that matter as well. But yeah, this I've just sort of put together some sort of clips, which you've probably seen obviously throughout my other YouTube videos, but I've just sort of found a load of clips, put them together to make a sort of tribute to my old 595 Abarth. So I hope you sort of like some of my sort of best bits, and yeah, she will be missed, but I'm also loving my new car, so all is good. And tomorrow is new Abarth collection day. I'm now standing in front of my brand new Series 4 Abarth. And while we're in a scenic place, I think it's only right that I take some good photos of her. Day, like the sun's blinding me. A minute ago it was raining. I must also say, where have I been? Well, I have been buying another car obviously, and I haven't been able to do videos really because my Mac has been broken. I took it to get repaired and I said, you know, what's wrong with it? Is it just frozen or whatever? Oh no, it's a failed hard drive, so if it was going to break, I had to do it properly for me anyway. So I've been without a computer for a few weeks. I've got it back, all my stuff and all my data's still there, which is a bonus. I'm so grateful that I haven't lost any of my previous videos and stuff on the Mac. So yeah, now I'm back to recording videos, editing them on my Mac and uploading them onto YouTube. So this is good. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little these little clips of my Abarth. Also, thanks for subscribing to my channel, because I know I'm not really posting as much as I possibly used to, but it's nice to see that when I'm not uploading I'm still getting subscribers, so it's nice to see that you guys are finding my videos online. Yeah, I'm not one of those sort of YouTubers that wants to put out like a video every week, because I've done that sort of before and I don't really enjoy it. I end up sort of making videos just for the sake of making them, and the content's rubbish because I'm forcing myself to make a video I don't really want to like. But yeah, I'm making these videos now because I want to tell you stuff, I want to show you stuff, hence why hopefully the videos are going to be a bit better and a bit more exciting. I keep using my hands a lot. But yeah, so yeah, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because like I say, I'm going to be doing a video, a proper walk around my new Abarth 124 Spider, showing you the specs, showing you the colours, showing you what she drives like, although you've probably seen that in the previous video of the Abarth 124 Spider, which you can click on at the top. And so you've got the Abarth 124 Spider video still to come. Also hoping to go to Haynes this Easter weekend, if it's not raining that is, because I want to show off my 124 Spider, and obviously I want to do some filming. So you've got a couple of good videos to come for me, all the better reason to subscribe right now, down the bottom or at the top, wherever it is. Clicky clicky, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you in a few days or so for the 124 Spider walk around. Laters.